This
So
conference will now be recorded.
26, which is printing the factors for the 26. 1, 2, 13, and 26 are the factors for the 26. So here we have the total number of factors are 4. Okay. So this is the program for the second one. So find the factorial of a number. So factorial of a number. How can you find the factorial of number? Same program I'm considering here. So factorial of a number is the fact which is 1, default it's a 1. For every time, what I want to do it, I can update the fact with multiplication of the previous fact and present I value. Okay. So fact can be multiply with previous fact and present I value. So this keep on doing it. So here the factorial of number is, so you know the logic of the factorial number, so which is started multiplication of 1, 2, 3 until its number. So factorial, okay. So factorial of your number is, just you can print the fact. So this is for the factorial of any number. If you enter the factorial of the 12 is 4947900160. This is for factorial of a number. Okay. Now find the sum of the digits of a number, right? So sum of the digits of a number, in the sense, first we should take the number, okay, and default sum it could be the 0, okay, and so here what I can do, I can take the temporary variable, this temporary variable which is holding the my number, okay. So until unless my temporary variable is becomes 0, my temporary variable is becomes 0, I have to repeat this particular task. So every time I can find the remainder. See, if we have a number, then if we want to collect the last digit, then we can division with 10 actually. Okay, so whatever the temporary number we have it. So when we are division with 10, then we'll be getting the remainder. But meanwhile, I would like to go for update the temporary variable. So my temporary variable, which is 2 slashes of 10, then the coefficient is, after you removing the last digit, whatever the number we have it, that it can be coefficient actually when you're division with 10. After that one, what I can do, I can update the sum equal to previous sum and plus present remainder will just collecting the last digit. Okay, so this is the way we can able to find the sum of digits of a number. So we can print the sum. Okay, so here if you want to display the number, you can display the number. So here if I enter the 1 4 5 6, so here I have the 5 digits, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. How much? It's a 16, right? So we are getting the 16 is the result. Now given number is the prime or not. So this logic, okay, once if we done the sum, then again we can use the while, but this time the find out the factorial of the sorry, prime number logic, I should use the prime number logic. Okay, here the prime number logic is what? This is my prime number logic. So have to use the number of factors are 2 and I equal to 1, and I value which is reaching to the sum, and every time my sum value which is division with I, and every time my which is finding the number of factors and total number of factors, which if it is the 2, then it's a prime, otherwise it's not, right? So if I execute this one, okay, so 149, it's a 10, and 1, if I give the one number extra, it's 11, right? So we are getting the sum of these digits are 11. So here the 11 is the prime number. This is the logic of the last one. I hope you clear my points. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Sir,
Krishna, what happened?
in determining the prime number, sir, we have taken I is equal to 1, sir.
Hmm.
And after that, here num underscore fact plus is equal to 1, sir. If we take I is equal to 0 and directly number of factors is equal to 1, it is also getting the same result, sir. But
No, no,
we are not,
no, no. If you take an I value is the 0, okay,
sir.
when you try to be division with 0, it can be an error.
Uh, okay, sir.
So we got an error or not?
Sorry,
0.
sir. It is not I is equal to 0, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, I have taken I is equal to 2, sir.
If you take I value equal to 2, then
Sir,
we can still, okay, so if you taken as I value equal to 2, okay, here we can remove the I less than or equal to
equal to,
I less than sum, okay.
sir.
So here number of factors are 0, okay. If the
Yes,
number of
sir.
factors are not updated, then we can, same thing we'll be getting, okay. So it's just a logic, so it's just a logic, okay. One and number are compulsory for the factors for the prime number. If you are
Okay,
not considering the I value is the one, if you're not considering the I value is the last number, then in between the those particular one and that particular number, if any number is divisible, then it's not a prime number, okay.
okay, sir.
But so I think there we are using the break. But when you're using the break, so some iterations are you're stopping, okay. That's a we are increasing the speed of the program. Those things we can talk on once I done the looping statements, okay.
Okay, sir.
So can you please note this program, all of you? Desha, have you done this 5 programs?
I did 3 of them, and I think I sent it to my consultant, and he sent you.
Okay. So can you please note this particular program as well?
Yeah, I did.
Hello.
It's 10, sir.
Okay. So this all programs are done, right? Now we'll do a small program for understanding the loops concepts. Write a program. Print pattern star 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 3 stars 4 stars 5 stars. Okay. Yeah. Can you print this particular pattern? Okay. So here, how many times I have to repeat it? One. For second time, for second row 3 times, for third row 3 times, for fourth row 4 times. If it is the fifth row, 5 times I have to repeat the in this particular stars actually. Okay. So how many rows I want to be generated? I have to generating the 5 rows. Let me consider 5 rows. Okay. So for I equal to 1. So how many times I have to repeat it? 5 times I have to repeat it. So I equal to row until unless if it is done, then how many stars I have to print it inside of each row? Here one star, here 2 stars, here 3 stars. I have to repeat it, right? So I have to use the again j equal to 0 or j equal to 1. Okay, and it has to repeat the this is instead of j we can consider as the column. Okay, so column 1. So this is the column. It can be repeated how many times we have in high, that many times this particular internal while loop can be repeated. Okay, for each time I have to print the star. After printing the star, I have to next print statement also I have to print the same line. For that one we can use the end equal to space. Okay, so here the call it could be updated by 1 until unless which is reaching to the I. So next one is your row also can be updated, right? That means I also has to be updated. So here we can consider I which it could be updated with 1. Okay, and once it is updated, then or else before updating also we can print the I. Just print the statement. It's just a print statement. Maybe I can use it so that the line it can be break. So if you executed this one, whatever the pattern I wanted, that pattern am I generated or not? For example, if I'm not giving this print statement, all stars are printing the same line. Okay, or else, for example, if I'm not giving this end, I'm not giving this end. Okay, if I'm not giving this end, then what happens? Which is printing vertically. Okay, so my pattern, it should be stars, right? So after printing the star, the next star, it should be print in the same line. So that's the reason we should use the end and with a space. And after one row is done, if one row is done, if I go to the next row, I have to go for the next line. That's the reason I have to break the line. For that one, I can use the 16th line of the print statement. So this is the way we can repeat the number of stars for each row. So here the n, it can be changed as per the user requirement so that I can use the input. So enter number of rows, enter number of rows. For example, if I want to repeat the 7 rows, then 7 stars. If you want to repeat the 10 rows, then 10 stars. This is the way you can generating the pattern as per your requirement. Note this example, guys. This is the nested loops. This kind of patterns we can generate it with help of the nested loops. Note this example. Guys, is this particular program is done?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's go for generating the pattern. Let a program for generating the following pattern is. So here we have to go for print the 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way you can generating the pattern. So same logic, but simple condition was changed. Even the conditions and everything was same, but instead of printing the stars, you should print the some particular number. which number would you like to go for printed? So every time, for every loop, for every row, the column is changing, right? So the internal column has updated till how many rows we have it. For first row, we have the I value is the 1. For second row, I value which is started with 1 and it ends with 2. For third row, which is started with 1 and it ends with 3, right? That means you're going to be printing the COL. That's it. You can print it. So if I have the 7, then which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, still it was printing this. Okay. So note this example. So previously you're printing the star, but now you're printing the COL. Just logic was changing, but everything would be the same. Note this example. Hello.
Done, sir.
Okay. I'm giving a task for you guys. You can try to do it. So you can try to generate the following patterns. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4, 4, and 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, this is one pattern. You can try it. Next one is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, and 4, 5, 6. Next 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Guys, we'll catch up. Okay, you can do these two programs. We'll catch up tomorrow. Okay, bye, take care. See you. Okay.